How to measure iPhone screen size. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings manage your overall setup and preferences, including software updates and device language. Once you're here, tap on the General option. In the General menu, tap on About at the very top of the screen. This page displays key information about your device, including the model name. Now, check your model name. After that, go back and open the Safari application. In the search bar, type diagonal display size of, followed by your iPhone model. You can find out the screen size of your phone from the results, and the search results will also provide a quick overview of the information. Following these steps, you can easily measure the iPhone screen size. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.